Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Volkswagen Transporter in the workshop. So this is a T6. Let's have a look inside. So this vehicle has come in for the new KENWOOD DMX80AXS. There we go. So yeah, this is the new tablet radio. So this is a wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay head unit. It fits into the dash with the new panel. It's quite a big screen and it's flush mounted. Yeah, so I've got my Android Auto on the screen here. I've got Waze, my Google Maps, Spotify for music. I've also got Ringo, parking apps, etc. This unit also has an FM radio. That's the FM. We've also hooked up a reversing camera as well. And there's the backup camera. We've also got the usual hands-free and Bluetooth streaming as well. There we go, and there's that new one.